Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. In today's video, we're talking about the stimulus check update for Uber and Lyft drivers. So if you're new here, please thumbs up the video. Thank you so much for your support. And firstly, I did want to thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is an incredible app that is actually providing drivers with a guaranteed pay amount. So they are going to guarantee that when you go out and drive, you're going to make money, $37 in a single hour for driving for Lyft. And if you go here, 37 bucks, Instacart, DoorDash, even Uber as well. So check out Solo Guarantee. Solo, when you sign up, they're gonna send you $15 when you use our link because we do have a partnership with them. As you can see here, we are actually on their website, the Rideshare Hub. Let's click on that really quickly. Here we go, the Rideshare Hub right here, the Rideshare Guy as well, Pedro, DoorDash, Santiago. And Gig Nation. So really awesome, guys. So anyways, we're gonna get started. Listen to this. So nobody other than Bernie Sanders is fighting for the people again. Listen to this. Senator Bernie Sanders, a progressive independent from Vermont, pushed for the inclusion of a child tax credit extension in the Inflation Reduction Act and said on Saturday that American families need more urgent relief than a large package would provide. So we're talking about how do Uber and Lyft drivers qualify for this? How do gig workers get the benefit? Well, basically, Uber and Lyft drivers will qualify for this in the event. Well, let's read. Democrats on March 22 passed the ARP through the budget reconciliation process, meaning it could be approved with a party line vote in the evenly split Senate. That legislation increased payments for the child tax credit to $3,600 for eligible children under 6 and $3,000 for children between 6 and 17. ARP revamped Americans, blah, blah, blah. Instead of receiving one large sum, millions of Americans receive half their estimated tax credit in monthly payments of $300 for each child under 6 and $250 for all other eligible children. The popular, let's listen to this. So he said, I will be introducing an amendment to expand the $300 a month child tax credit for the next 5 years, paid for by restoring the top corporate tax rate from 21% to 28%. Bro, no. Oh, it sounds good, $300 a month for 5 years, but bro, you're taking the top corporate tax rate from 21 to 28%. This is killing the American dream. You're basically raising taxes so that people, the American dream is starting a business for, creating your own small business. And it's like, what's the American dream without saying, oh yeah, by the way, as soon as you become successful, we're gonna crank up your taxes like crazy. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so it could potentially be though, if you have any children, I know so many Uber drivers and Lyft drivers are parents. I think there was actually a study, I believe, don't quote me on this, but I think the majority of drivers have children. So, this could be great if your car payments, under $300 a month, you could basically pay for your car with that money. So, and they're gonna do so by taxing the corporate, rich. So you ain't gonna get taxed. They're gonna get taxed and you're gonna get the money. So that's, basically new liberal America. Progressive America, whatever you want to call it. So anyways, guys, there you have it. That's the update for today. Let me know your thoughts on this one, and please go sign up for Solo right now. Every single gig worker should sign up for this app simply because they're going to send you $15 just for signing up completely for free. They have a free nationwide version, so there's no reason not to. And they also have automated mileage tracking, federal tax projections, all these other really cool stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys are great, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.